Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever finished a big trip and felt a little nervous about turning everything back in, wondering if you did it all correctly? Today, Hannah is walking into a real Hertz return center to end her road trip. One of the most trusted and familiar rental car brands you'll find at airports and cities all across America, known for its careful rental agreements, its Hertz Gold Express service, and that reassuring yellow and black sign that means you're almost home. And here's the magic part. This time, Hannah isn't the nervous one. After 5 stops on this road trip, she's the calm one now, and today she's going to use one tiny, polite phrase. And help someone else use it too. You can use this exact phrase the next time you return a rental car at any Hertz, anywhere in America. So take a deep breath and pull into that return lane. Let's step into Hertz. Alright. Today is a special day. Hannah has 3 missions, but this time, she's also going to help someone else along the way. 1. Return the rental car smoothly at the drop-off lane with a busy but kind first staff member 2. Solve a little kiosk trouble with a second, brand new staff member 3. Help a nervous fellow traveler find her own confidence, with a little help from a third, humor-loving staff member in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Returning a rental car can feel like the trickiest part of any trip. Fuel policy, mileage, drop-off paperwork, it's a lot to remember. But with the right polite phrases, any Hertz staff member will happily walk you through it, step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to return a rental car, solve a small kiosk problem, and even help someone else feel confident. All in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's walk into Hertz. Here are today's 5 Hertz key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? This is today's magic phrase. Would it be possible to? Is an especially gentle, indirect way to make a request. It softens the ask even more than can you or could you, because it frames your request as a hypothetical possibility, not a direct demand. That makes it perfect for delicate moments. Like double-checking fuel, mileage, or charges. Where you want everyone to stay relaxed and cooperative. Key phrase 2. Could you show me how this kiosk works? Could you show me how this kiosk works? Use this whenever a machine or screen feels confusing. Asking clearly and directly invites help without any embarrassment. Key phrase 3. I was wondering if there's a shuttle to the terminal? I was wondering if there's a shuttle to the terminal? A soft, casual way to ask about logistics. I was wondering if. Feels gentle and unhurried, perfect for a small extra question. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I double-check my rental agreement? Is it okay if I double-check my rental agreement? Use this when you'd like a moment to review paperwork before you go. Asking permission first shows respect for the staff member's time. Key phrase 5. Could I get a receipt for the final charges? Could I get a receipt for the final charges? A simple, direct way to wrap up a transaction and keep a record for yourself. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at Hertz. Hannah pulls her rental car into the busy Hertz return lane, the engine ticking as she steps out with her bag over her shoulder. Overhead, the yellow and black Hertz canopy stretches across the lane, agents in Hertz vests moving quickly between cars with handheld scanners. Gary. A busy but kind Hertz return agent in his 40s. Is already tapping through paperwork on a nearby car, but looks up with a genuine smile as Hannah approaches.
Hi. I'm returning this car. It's under Hannah Kim, a mid-size SUV.
Got it. 1 SEC, just doing a quick walk around. Looks great, no new damage. Mileage checks out too.
That's a relief. I was a little nervous about the fuel. Would it be possible to check the fuel level together, just to be sure?
Smart move. Always good to double check. Yep, full tank. You're all set on the fuel policy, no charges there.
Phew. I filled it up right before turning in, but I always worry I missed something.
Happens to everyone. You did it right. Here's your return confirmation. You're free to go whenever you're ready.
Thank you so much, Gary. One more thing, I was wondering if there's a shuttle to the terminal.
Right over there. Comes every 10 minutes. And hey, if you ever rent with us again, ask about Hertz Gold. Skips a lot of this line entirely.
I'll remember that. Thanks again.
Anytime. Safe travels.
Wonderful, Hannah. Notice today's magic phrase in action. Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? That gentle, indirect wording turned a slightly worrying moment. Did I really fill the tank all the way? Into a calm, shared little check, instead of a tense question. Also notice how Hannah stayed relaxed even while Gary was clearly busy, hopping between cars. She simply waited her turn, asked her question clearly, and got exactly the reassurance she needed. A gentle, indirect request plus a little patience equals a smooth, stress-free rental car return, even in a busy lane. Hannah walks toward the self-service kiosk near the Hertz counter to print an extra copy of her receipt before heading to the shuttle. Nate, a brand new Hertz agent in his early 20s, still getting used to the system, stands near the kiosk, glancing nervously between the screen and a laminated instruction sheet.
Excuse me, could you show me how this kiosk works? I just want to print a copy of my receipt.
Oh, sure. I think you tap returns first, then. Huh, that's strange, it's not responding.
No worries, take your time.
Sorry, this kiosk's been a little glitchy today. Let me just, restarting it now.
That's okay. Would it be possible to just wait a moment while it restarts?
Yeah, that usually fixes it. There we go. Okay, tap returns, then your reservation number.
Like this?
Exactly. And there's your receipt printing now.
You got it. Thank you for being patient with me, and with the machine.
Thanks for being patient with me. First month on the kiosk, still learning its quirks. My supervisor Sam always says it needs a nap around lunchtime.
Well, you two make a good team. Thanks again, Nate.
Anytime. Sam's actually right up at the main counter if you need anything else.
Look at what just happened at the kiosk. A small machine trouble, and Hannah handled it beautifully. Notice two things. First, could you show me how this kiosk works? Is a warm, direct way to ask for help without any embarrassment. Second, when the kiosk froze, Hannah simply reused her magic phrase in a new way. Would it be possible to just wait a moment? Turning an awkward little glitch into a calm, patient pause instead of a stressful problem. A little patience on both sides fixed a small machine trouble in under a minute. And even helped a nervous new agent feel more confident too. Hannah walks up to the main Hertz counter, where Sam, a witty, veteran Hertz agent in his 50s who's seen every kind of return in his 20 years on the job, is finishing up Hannah's paperwork with an easy grin. Nearby, a young traveler named Priya stands stiffly in line, gripping her rental keys, glancing anxiously at the counter.
Hi, Sam. Gary sent me over. Is it okay if I double-check my rental agreement before I head out?
20 years in this business, and everyone double-checks. Smart habit. All clean, no surprise charges, no scratches. You survived the road trip and the paperwork. 2 wins.
Feels like it. Could I get a receipt for the final charges, just for my records?
Fresh off the press. Say, looks like someone behind you could use a little of that calm energy.
Hey, first time returning a car?
Is it that obvious? I don't even know what to say to them.
I felt exactly the same an hour ago. Just try this. Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? It works every time.
Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? Hey now, don't put me out of a job teaching my own lines. Come on up, we'll figure it out together, nice and easy. Okay, would it be possible to check the fuel level together? Perfect. See? Already a pro.
Told you. You've got this.
Wonderful. After 5 stops on this road trip, Hannah just returned her rental car at a well-known name in America, Hertz, and helped a nervous fellow traveler find her own confidence, with busy Gary, brand new Nate, and witty Sam. Notice. The biggest phrase of the day was, would it be possible to check the fuel level together? That gentle, indirect request works everywhere. Checking fuel, waiting on a glitchy kiosk, or teaching someone else exactly what to say. A gentle request plus a little patience plus a kind word passed on to someone else equals a calm, confident end to any road trip, at any Hertz, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Priya is nervous and doesn't know what to say to the Hertz agent. Hannah just taught her the magic phrase. What should Hannah say next to help Priya feel confident? A. Just try this. Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? It works every time. B. Don't worry, I'll just talk to them for you. C. You'll figure it out eventually, don't stress about it. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any rental car return, anywhere in America, into a smooth, confident, stress-free moment. Would it be possible to check the fuel level together? Could you show me how this kiosk works? I was wondering if there's a shuttle to the terminal? Is it okay if I double-check my rental agreement? Could I get a receipt for the final charges? With these 5 phrases, you don't just return a car at Hertz. You walk in calm, help someone else find their calm too, and walk out with a smile. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, Hannah is heading out to hunt for a great deal at TJ Maxx, where the real challenge is finding a hidden treasure in the aisles. See you next time. Bye-bye.